Today's question is square root of 200 over 15 minus square root of 224. Let's see how to solve this. At denominator we have a square root. So that's why let's do rationalize with the denominator. We have here denominator we have a minus. So let's do with the plus. Rationalize with the plus. 15 plus square root of 224 over 15 plus square root of 224. Now observe the denominator. It is in the form of a minus b times a plus b. The formula is a square minus b square. That means a denominator we have to do 15 square minus square root of 224 whole square. Here square and square root gets cancelled, so we left only minus 224. We know that 15 square is 225. 225 minus 224 which gives only 1. So that means the denominator turns into only 1. So then what we left only the numerator, that is, which is square root of 200 times 15 plus square root of 224. So we got only numerator part. Here if we expand the brackets, then we are going to get 200 times 15 which gives 3000 plus 200 times square root of 224 which gives 200 times square root of 224. Let's solve it this. Let's find the prime factors of this 224. 224 we can write it as 2 times 2 which is nothing but 4. Then 2 times 2 which is nothing but 4 times 2 times 7 is nothing but 14. So if you take square root here, so root 4 times root 4 which gives only 4. Then what we left only root 14. So 224 we can write as 4 root 14. Let's observe the 3000. The square root of 3000 we can simply write this as 100 times 30, isn't it? So let's substitute all these in our expression. Square root of this 3000 we can write it as 100 times 30 plus this 200 we can write it as 100 times 2. Still what we have square root of 224 we can write it as 4 times root 14. So now observe here we have a 100 and here we have a 100. So let's take square root of 100 as common. So then we are going to left 30 plus 2 times 4 root 14. Square root of 100 is nothing but 10. And here if you convert this under expression as a plus b whole square, then square and square root gets cancelled, so we left only a plus b. So that's why let's try to write this expression as a plus b whole square. Already we have this second term as 2 times a times b form. Still we need to do only a power 2 plus b power 2 form. So according to this 2ab, here a is nothing but 4 and b is nothing but root 14. So let's take that and try to check a square plus b square value is 30 or not. So a value is 4. So if we do a square which is nothing but 4 square, that is 16. And here the b value is root 14. If we do square, so root 14 whole square is nothing but only 14. So after adding a square plus b square, we are going to get only 30, which is our first term. So this 30 we can write it as 4 power 2 plus root 14 whole power 2, which is nothing but 30, plus 2 times a is 4 and b is root 14. So it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can simply write this as a plus b whole square. So our a value is 4 and b value is root 14 whole square. So here square and square it gets cancelled. So we left only 4 plus root 14. 10 times 4 plus root 14. So this is the result of the square root of 200 over 15 minus square root of 224. So what is the result? 10 times 4 plus root 14. If you open the bracket, then you are going to get 40 plus 10 root 14. If you like this, like, share and subscribe my channel.